Welcome to CRIS, the Community Housing Regulatory Information System. CRIS is the IT system used by the National Regulatory System for Community Housing. In this video, we're going to look at evidence attachments. Providers need to attach evidence in support of their eligibility and tier form and their full application for registration. In previous videos, we've seen how to log in and how to navigate to a particular return. This particular return is an application for registration form, and to upload evidence we need to click on Start Return. Start Return will take us through the introduction page and onto the first performance outcome. At the bottom of each performance outcome there is an Add Attachments button. As you can see here, this will be the first piece of evidence to be uploaded as there is nothing below. Click on the Add Attachment button, which will take you through to the evidence upload page where you can specify the relevant performance outcome that relates to this piece of evidence, the relevant performance requirement that relates to this piece of evidence, and any additional performance requirements. In this instance, we'll select 1E, 3B, and 4C. Providers are invited to provide details, including page numbers, or reference details to ensure that the relevant section is clearly defined. Next, click on the Browse button, which will open up the documents on your computer. Here we'll use a test document and click on Open. In some operating systems, this button may say Attach. Once you've selected the document, click Attach, and the document will be uploaded from your computer into CRIS. As you can see at the bottom of this performance outcome, the piece of evidence has been uploaded. It's related to performance outcome 1, requirement 1C, and also to 1E, 3B, and 4C. Had we entered comments, they would be visible here. And if the provider wishes to mark the evidence with additional performance requirements, they can do so by clicking on the evidence number, then adding or removing performance requirements as necessary. All evidence should be uploaded as part of the compliance or registration return, but if for any reason additional evidence is required after the return has been submitted, one of two things will occur. If it was evidence due to be attached with the original return, the analyst will unlock the application and the provider will resubmit. If, however, it's additional supplementary evidence that was not required at the time of the original return, the provider will be asked to log in and attach evidence using the Supplementary Evidence button. The process is the same, however the evidence will be marked then as supplementary evidence. You can see all of the evidence that you have attached to your return at the bottom. They will be listed in order of date modified. Once you have finished the return and have finished completing the Ready to Submit form, and the relevant performance outcome completed boxes at the bottom of every performance outcome, click Submit for approval, and the return will be locked and sent to your primary registrar for assessment.